Do you want to know a superfood that can boost your health and vitality? Enter oats, an unassuming yet powerful grain that's been nourishing civilizations for centuries. These aren't just your grandma's breakfast oats either. We're talking about a variety of types, each with its unique texture and cooking time. There are the traditional rolled oats, flattened by large rollers into flakes, then steamed to make them shelf-stable. Then we have the steel-cut oats, chopped into several pieces for a chewier texture and nuttier flavor. And let's not forget the instant oats, pre-cooked, dried, and rolled thinner for a quicker cooking time. But oats aren't just for breakfast anymore. This versatile grain can be incorporated into various meals throughout the day. Toss them into your smoothies, sprinkle them on your salads, or even add them to your savory dishes. The possibilities are as endless as they are delicious. Ready to discover the amazing health benefits of this versatile grain? Let's dive in. Ever wondered why oats are considered a superfood? Well, let's dive into the myriad health benefits of this humble grain. Firstly, oats are a heart's best friend. They are rich in beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that works to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Now, if you're on a weight management journey, oats are your ally. The fiber content helps you feel full, nudging you towards weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight. For those needing to control blood sugar levels, oats come to the rescue with their low glycemic index, which aids in stabilizing blood sugar and may even reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Healthy digestion is essential, and oats support this too. The fiber content prevents constipation and promotes a healthy digestive system. For an energy boost, oats are a fantastic choice. They provide a steady release of energy due to their complex carbohydrates, making them an excellent breakfast option. But there's more. Oats are packed with vitamins and minerals like manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and iron. They also contain antioxidants called avenanthramides, which can help reduce inflammation and protect against disease. Even your skin can benefit from oats. Studies suggest the beta-glucans in oats may improve skin health by reducing inflammation and itching. Finally, let's not forget bone health. Oats are a source of calcium and phosphorus, important minerals for bone health and strength. As you can see, incorporating oats into your diet can provide a range of health benefits for overall well-being. So, are you ready to jumpstart your day with this wholesome choice? Let's recap. Oats are a powerhouse of nutrients, rich in fiber for heart health, weight management, and digestive wellness. They stabilize blood sugar, give you a steady energy flow, and are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Even your skin and bones can benefit from them. And remember, oats aren't just for breakfast. They can be a delicious part of all your meals. Remember, a bowl of oats a day can keep numerous health issues at bay. So what are you waiting for? Start reaping the benefits of oats today.